million liters every single day. That's what flows through the world's largest cheese factories, where 500 cows become 100,000 wheels through industrial precision that never stops. It begins at dawn with a march that happens twice daily. Let's see how 60,000 liters of milk become 11-kilogram cheese wheels through 12 months of controlled transformation and robotic precision. 5 in the morning. 500 cows march toward the milking stations in synchronized groups of 50. Each cow produces exactly 30 liters of fresh milk daily, channeled through precision technology that maintains temperature at 37 degrees Celsius. Within minutes, rivers of milk converge into refrigeration tanks. 50,000 liters cool to 4 degrees Celsius in under 20 minutes. 10 tanker trucks, each carrying 60,000 liters, depart for the mega factory, where the real transformation begins. The mega factory processes 2 million liters daily through hermetically sealed connections that guarantee zero contamination. Each 60,000-liter load undergoes immediate analysis. Fat content, protein levels, and bacterial counts tested in seconds. 20 giant silos with total capacity of 2 million liters feed the pasteurization system. 8 processing units heat milk to exactly 70 degrees for precisely 15 seconds, then instantly cool to 30 degrees. This temperature precision eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving essential proteins that will become cheese. The coagulation tanks demand absolute precision. 27 hours exactly. 1 degree higher destroys bacterial cultures. 1 degree lower prevents proper coagulation. 10 giant vats, each holding 20,000 liters, receive bacterial cultures that awaken the transformation. Giant fins mix for exactly 30 minutes. Then rennet, an enzyme that transforms liquid into solid, begins working. After 40 minutes of rest, science works in silence. The metamorphosis. 20,000 liters of liquid become gel. The cheesemaker tests texture by hand, the only human verification in this automated process. When perfect, hundreds of blades descend, cutting the solid mass into thousands of perfect cubes. Each cut releases whey trapped inside the curd. Horizontal cuts create 2-centimeter cubes. This size determines final texture. Gentle stirring prevents cubes from sticking together, while gradual heating to 45 degrees Celsius expels moisture over 45 minutes of controlled cooking. The cubes firm as whey separates, creating a mountain of curd that emerges from drainage. Mechanical rakes consolidate the curd mass as cubes fuse into one continuous solid. The mass is cut into blocks for cheddarization. Turning containers upside down and stacking forces more whey from the blocks. Texture changes as cheese fibers begin forming. The mill grinds blocks into small fragments before salt. The final touch before molding is added at precisely calculated ratios. The molding room operates 8 production lines, generating thousands of cheeses per hour. Perforated molds allow remaining whey to escape as a giant funnel feeds the automatic filling system. Each mold receives the exact amount of curd through computerized precision. Overflowing molds advance toward the giant press, 30 meters of hydraulic force applying tons of pressure to compact curd. Whey escapes through every mold perforation, flowing into recovery tanks. 2 tons of pressure per mold for 12 continuous hours. 2 presses operating non-stop, 24-hour production. After 12 hours, perfectly formed 11-kilogram wheels emerge from molds, each bearing the pattern that marks its identity. The brining area maintains exactly 20% salt concentration in 4 massive tanks, where thousands of cheeses float submerged for precisely 48 hours. Salt penetrates the rind through natural osmosis at 13 degrees and 85% humidity. Digital control monitors immersion time to the minute. Too little salt allows spoilage. Too much creates bitter taste. This underwater forest of cheeses absorbs salt slowly, changing rind color as preservation begins. The salt will preserve cheese for years while developing complex flavors. The Cheese Cathedral. 100,000 wheels aging in silence across 20 floors. A skyscraper of cheese. Robots position each wheel with millimetric precision, turning them regularly for even aging. Natural fungi colonize the rind over 1 month as brushing controls mold growth. The golden rind protects treasure inside. Tasters extract samples to check ripeness, looking for tyrosine crystals, the signature of perfectly aged cheese. 12 months of patience. 1 year later, aged cheese emerges from basement darkness, its rind gleaming and ready. 6 processing lines handle thousands of cheeses daily through ultrasonic cutting that reveals creamy, crystalline interiors. 1 year of aging concentrated in each 1 kilogram portion. Robots weigh each piece for exact value, then vacuum pack in hermetic sealing that preserves flavor for months. Laser codes enable tracking each cheese to its origin cow. X-rays confirm 0 contaminants before automatic boxing. 6 portions per case. The refrigerated distribution center holds thousands of pallets ready for shipment via uninterrupted cold chain to 15 trucks departing for various countries. 2 million liters daily, 500 cows, 12 months of aging, 100,000 wheels in cathedral silence. Industrial cheese production achieves consistency through temperature precision, measured in single degrees and timing measured in minutes. Yet here's what's remarkable. Despite full automation, human hands still test curd texture. The one-step robots cannot replicate after 150 years of cheese-making evolution. What other mega-factory process would you like to see dissected? Drop your suggestions in the comments and subscribe for more industrial deep dives.